Goldman Sachs short. You would, if you were long Goldman Sachs, you would take that sell signal as an opportunity to move your stop and take profit on it, and then wait for the next buy signal. So for you long onlys, you're looking for a pulse wave reading, whether it be negative or positive, it doesn't matter. You're just looking for a pulse wave signal, and you're looking for a positive PPT signal. Let me say that again. For you long only traders, you're just looking for either a positive or negative pulse wave momentum reading, because you can always put your pulse wave resistance by order if you have one of these readings, or you're looking for a positive PPT reading. Okay? You buy off the positive PPT readings, and you also buy off the positive swing VIX readings, and you buy off of the positive and negative momentum readings. Okay? For those of you cowboys who don't mind selling something short, again, you're looking for a positive or negative momentum reading, a positive or negative swing VIX, or a positive or negative PPT. It's just that simple. Everything you know here is right here for you. Now this comes to the next issue, though, that you have with this system. As with any system, there are pros and cons, positive and negatives. It just depends on how you want to take it. With this system, when if you just decided, hey, you know what, I appreciate what DEX did with the positive and negative PPT signals, but I'm not interested in the secondary signals. I only want to trade primary signals. I only want to trade the pulse waves because I've watched the videos, I've tracked them, and those pulse waves are just so powerful. When they hit, they hit. I just want to wait for a pulse wave. That's cool. You can do that. But understand this, you pulse wave trader only pulse wave people. I know that there is a number of cats who only trade the pulse waves. That's cool. You can do that. Those are my favorite to trade anyway. But understand this, you have to be disciplined in executing the pulse wave trading signals. And what that means is when you get a pulse wave signal, you have to place the tickets. It doesn't matter if the whole week goes by and neither one of those tickets get triggered. When Friday rolls around, by the end of the trading day, you got to cancel those tickets, and then wait for Monday's report and go ahead and place. If we still have a pulse wave signal, go ahead and place the pulse wave tickets for the next week. Sometimes from week to week, those pulse wave entry points will change. Sometimes they won't. That's why you have to check the in-play report every day. Okay, because there have been times where 2 weeks will go by and the pulse wave will not be triggered. You have to be diligent in making sure that those tickets are placed as good till canceled orders. You can modify a good till canceled order. So you place the ticket and wait for a fill. It's just that simple. If you're trading off of pulse waves, you're just waiting for the markets to get into alignment, and you're waiting for them to break out and pay you. It's just how it works. You got to be patient with the markets. You can't make things happen in the market, okay? That are not happening. You don't want to be like that when you think you have to be in the market all the time. The way to be in the market all the time without being hurt is to place the tickets. That way, if something goes down, you are prepared for it. You are ready. All right? Nothing's going to happen that you're not prepared and ready for. So, like on May 6th, the flash crash, had you had a pulse wave sitting there ready to roll, you'd have been triggered, and you could have made crazy money on the short side on May 6th had you had your short sell tickets working. But if you weren't disciplined and you didn't place your pulse wave tickets, you wouldn't have got filled. All right, and you wouldn't have had an opportunity to make a killing on the short side. You feel me? You see where I'm going? You got to be disciplined to place those pulse wave tickets if you're going to be a pulse wave only player. All right. On another note, like I said, when you place the pulse wave ticket, sometimes a long period of time can go by before it's triggered, such as a week. The longest I've ever seen it was 2 weeks. On average, once a week, you're gonna get triggered on that at least once a week. You're gonna get triggered. So you just have to be patient. And like I said, place the tickets and go about your business, all right? Let's see what else. Oh, gap days. Okay. Often in trading securities, doesn't matter if it's stock, futures, or Forex, you're going to be hit with a gap day, all right? A gap day is when the market gaps above your entry price if you're buying, or gaps below your short sale price if you're looking to sell short. We do not chase the market. If the market gaps on you, promptly cancel the ticket. That's it. I don't care if it's a pulse wave entry point or not. Cancel the ticket. All right? We don't chase the markets here. We trade them. There will always be another opportunity for you to get in the market. If it gaps on you, ignore it. It wasn't meant for you to be in there. I'm serious. I don't care how high or low it goes after that. The markets aren't going anywhere. All right? Contrary to common belief and opinion, the markets, I don't care what happens in the world, aren't going anywhere. Because the markets are used as a multi-purpose mechanism to achieve governmental and political means and ends. So it's not going anywhere. Access to it may change, such as it did after the NASDAQ bubble burst of 2000. They made it harder for the average person to get in and play by raising the minimum requirements. But if you know how to play the game, it shouldn't matter. All right? So anyway, this video has gone on forever, and I didn't mean for it to be so long. I just wanted you guys to be able to get the most use out of this report as possible, okay? I hope I've answered all your questions. If not, please feel free to leave comments below the video or send me a private message, however you want to do it, and I'll do my best to get back to everybody. So remember, take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.